Hi guys, thank you for joining our podcast tonight. We will be talking about diabetes type 2, diabetes to be specific. Our goal is to educate people, specifically Pacific Islands, that diabetes can be determined by simply making someone lifestyle changes. I want to reach out to the Pacific Islanders. Being a Pacific Islander myself, I see we become used to seeing our loved ones go through the symptoms of diabetes. Some of us can recognize the symptoms so easily because it has become common to see loved ones experiencing these symptoms like blurred vision, constantly drinking water, the kind of thirst that can seems to be sequenced. Some of us use our loved ones always feeling tired and always using the restroom. Or, or for some of us, we ourselves can be experiencing some of the symptoms too. True, though it is common, we shouldn't limit ourselves and settle things that it runs our blood. Though it is common to see loved ones experience these symptoms, don't mean that it is the end there. We can make changes in our life that won't lead us to the grave fast like some of our loved ones. Simply changing our diet and including exercising in our schedule can improve our lives.